Hello students. Before we start any activity, let's learn about the word that is
Caricature.
caricature. A picture, description or imitation of a person in which certain striking characteristics are exaggerated in order to create a comic or grotesque effect, right? For this word I can say here cartoon. There are many words for that. Satire, okay. Here you can see on the screen, right, this kind of pictures cartoonists make to create a comedy and also to pass some message through these cartoon pics, right. Let's see further. Now let's see further about activity 7. Art is a medium of expression and artists express their views, thoughts and philosophies through different media. Here is a test for you. Guess what it is? There is one medium of expression and that expresses views and thoughts of all common people. And it looks very simple, but it is not. It has caricatures of people. Just now I have explained the word caricatures to you, right? Caricatures of people, animals and objects. It can also be a satire. We form it almost every day in the newspapers. Remember, whenever you find any new word in this textbook, right? Though I have explained you some of the meaning, but use always dictionary. Though I am explaining you the words and sentences, but you also use and try to open the dictionary to understand and to make clear from your side the meanings of some new words also, right. But it is not. It has caricatures of people, animals and objects. It can also be a satire. We form it almost every day in the newspapers, and as a children, you know very well, uh, on television, during this what we say, at home you all are watching, yes, and generally it is a sketch with a few words. And which art is it? That is cartoon. And do you want a hint? And here it is. What do you call TV programs like Tom and Jerry, Chota Beam, and Shiva? Like there are many cartoons. And one more thing is that Augie and Cockroaches, right? Then and there are many more cartoon serials are available on different channels. And also nowadays you can watch cartoon serials not only on television, on mobile, on your smartphone through YouTube and all that, right. Look at the works by famous Indian cartoonist R.K. Lakshman. And if I making clear to you R.K. Lakshman, in my childhood I was used to see the stories Malgudi days. It was very interesting. And suppose if you get the time, either on online or at a YouTube or some television channel, uh, once in a week or whenever you get the time, you must try to see R.K. Lakshman story base, Malgudi Days stories. Very nice, very interesting. You can see how he wrote the stories and identify R.K. Lakshman and identify what is common in them. Let's see this. This is here. First cartoon picture is given. You can see, right? Here is the picture. An old man is passing over there. Car, tree, policeman, and you can see here the picture. One man is lying on the road with a pillow and like this, middle of the road. It is, and making some comments. It is safer to sleep in the middle of the road than on the pavement these days. Quite comedy. Let's see cartoon second. Traffic jam everywhere. Of course, I have a car. That person replied. Of course, I have a car, but I don't have a road to drive it on. Let's try to understand both the pictures with these notes. See, in cartoon first, it is shown that the man is lying in the middle of the road, right? You can see here. See the picture very well. And in your textbook also, right? Can you see the picture very well? Cartoon first and then second. And let's try to understand. It is shown that the man is lying in the middle of the road. When inquired, when asked, he says that it is safer to sleep in the middle of the road and then on the pavement because the condition of the road is the worst. It is all bumpy and with many potholes. It is nearly impossible to drive along the road. On the other hand, pavements or footpath, as have been mostly unused in regular course, are in a good condition. People make more use of them, therefore, it is better to sleep on the road than on the pavement. Now, let's see about the second picture very well. Cartoon number 2, picture number 2. Of course, I have a car, but I don't have a road to drive it on. You said it. Let's see about second picture. That it points at several traffic problem in the city. The cartoonist, the person who drew it or who drew it, the cartoonist sees that he has a car but he cannot take it along city roads, and the reason is the traffic problem, and the roads of the city keep so busy that it is useless to take a car to reach one's destination, and it will consume a lot of time and fuel. So, the cartoonist sees that he has a car but no road. You can understand or comprehend by yourself both the pictures very well. You can see here. Okay. Both pictures try to see and observe very well, and also along with these notes also, right. So, I hope you understood activity 7 very well. Thank you.